Yay! I'm done. My experiment is successful.
What kind of experiment, Professor?
Carefully. This is my new teleportation device. With the help of this device, I can teleport any object from one place to another.
I must say, this device is indeed out of...
Actually, I have shifted the location of my house 1 kilometer from here. Over there, under that big tree.
Can you now bring it back to its original location?
Not really. I have not yet invented the reversal device of this use.
Coming, boss.
Where were you since morning?
Boss, the breaking news is that Professor Dhumketu has invented something called the new teleportation device. Bheem Chutki Deva.
Teleportation device, you can send any big or small object from one place to another.
Really? With the help of this device, I can steal awfully. Just go and steal the device at any cost and transport all the laddus to the jungle. Henceforth, I will not have to worry about food anymore.
How did you manage to bring so much stuff in?
Yes, we will not tell you that we do have a new teleportation device with us.
Yes, we have not hidden any such teleportation device behind that tree.
With this device, we will send our soldiers right inside the palace of Dholakpur without any problem.
His Majesty, someone has stolen Professor Dhumketu's new teleportation. Listen now.
Attack! No!
So interesting. Crazy everyone. Let us all sing. Stories of free are so interesting. Praising everyone. Let us all sing.
Great job, Bheem! You have done the right thing. Now, with the help of this reversal device, I will send all these crooks back to their own country. Thank you, kids. Thanks a lot.
But how did this device land up in the wrong hands?
Stay alert!
If I go back, my shadow also.
What happened? What were those strange sounds?
Bheem, look! Whatever it is scared of mirrors. Oh my! It has fallen into this dry well. No!
In fact, I believe that ghosts do not exist in the world. Meow!
There is an old castle at the top of the mountain. Ghosts live there. So come on, guys, let's find out. The rain is not going to stop me. I'm sure some people will think that this rain and storm is because of the same ghosts. But no storm can stop me today from getting to the bottom of this mystery. Nothing can stop me today. Oh, ghosts, where are you?
Right behind you. Hello. Have you ever come across twin ghosts?
When there are no ghosts, there cannot be any twin ghosts.
We will turn him into a little cat.
Listen, please. How about putting me down instead? Good idea. No, I don't want to be a ghost.
I said ghost.
And I said cat.
Ghost.
Cat.
Ghost.
Cat.
Ghost.
Don't be disheartened. We'll find a solution for this. To turn you back into a human, all we need from you is the address of that castle.
Yes!
A new style to trouble pesky children.
Bhim, Laddu!
Both of you hide quickly.
Saw that? You kept talking and the children ran away.
I was just trying to swat a fly.
Let's turn him into a ghost like us.
Not at all, Kali. We will change him into a monkey.
I said ghost.
A monkey will be funnier to play with.
Ghost.
Monkey!
What's happening to me? I am a ghost.
To keep fighting with each other, let's make them fight more so that we can win against them one by one.
So tell me, which of you is better at everything?
I am.
No, I am. You are my twin, and that's why I tolerate you. Otherwise...
Otherwise? Huh? Otherwise what? Go away from here or I won't spare you.
Yeah, right.
Now for step 2. You remember how much the mirror scared the ghost cat?
Yes, after becoming a ghost, even I'm feeling scared of mirrors, Chutki. If a ghost touches one, then it will get trapped inside it.
We need a mirror as big as a wall. In the dark, it will seem like a twin is visible in the mirror.
I can't touch any mirror, but I can pick up Dholu Bolu anytime.
Yes, I know that you're a bot. You don't have any new ideas. That's why you imitate me. Huh? Okay, so get ready for a clash. A mirror? I am Kali, my brother.
Lal, my brother?
First, you will have to do what we tell you to.
Yes, tell me.
1. Turn the ghost cat back into a human.
Oh, okay.
Yay!
2. Turn the ghost monkey back into Kalia now.
Oh, okay.
One more condition, that you two ghost brothers never trouble people again.
We promise. Brother.
My dear brother.
Just hold on, Chutki.
Why, Bhim?
Something is not right. Looks as if someone is out there.
A wild bear.
Dare you even think of touching her? Sam, we need to attack him from 2 sides. Sam, those wild vines. We can tie him up with those. Now we just need to distract him.
Look over here. These two are calling you back.
Mummy!
Ha ha!